How to manage dictation on Outlook mobile app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage dictation options on your Outlook easily and fast. First thing, go to Outlook. Now I'm sorry, this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top here, click on your profile picture and go down, click on the settings right here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find dictation right here. It's here, click on it, and now as you can see you can manage dictation from here. You can turn off or turn on anything you want from here, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.